we lived in a black neighborhood. We were the only white people in the whole area. I saw no difference. They were people. And my playmates were black. Never occurred to me that they were a different color. And then I was great friends with one of them. I was a little kid, about my age, about 6 or 7, when I would play with him after, first I met him in kindergarten, and one day he came to me and said his mother said he can't play with me anymore. And I said, why? And he said he didn't know. So I got to admit, I went home crying and said that Jimmy said he can't play with me anymore. So my mother went to his mother and said, did her son do anything to him or anything? He said, oh, no, it's just that as he grows up, he's going to have to learn what prejudice is like, and he might as well learn it at a young age, because he would be, looked down on, and we found a way secretly to still play with each other. But I thought, my God, what is prejudice? I don't understand. Kids my age and a little older made fun of me because, my clothes didn't fit, I had hand-me-downs. But that's where I first learned about prejudice.